Today we are going to be checking out our chicken coop, and all 6 chickens were just stormed on. So yeah, here's a look at them. I don't know if you can see them, but there's all the chickens, some of them. And we have a little thing right here. You just, I'll get it. Yeah. Oh, you just open it, or you can reach in there and get the eggs and stuff. You know, take a look at that. That was pretty cool how we did that. Yeah, let him shut it. And we got our 2 different doors. The doors to the chicken coop where they roost. There's one. And the door to our, where they just go around and we can water them and feed them. So here they are. We just got them a few days ago, so I know they've ate most of their food. Holes filled with water. And we got these little watering things. So when you push down the little yellow thing, it fills up with water, which they both need refilled.
And it just stormed, actually.
Yeah. So probably didn't need to be refilled, but we did it anyways. And now we're gonna go in here and just check out what there is. So here's where they lay their eggs, roost up there, whatever. I don't know. Just kidding. Yep, we got that hanging up on the wall. Lay their eggs, and that's it. See you next time.